Ah, yes, motorcycles. They make you feel free, alive, and broke. But what if I told you half the stuff you've heard about motorcycle maintenance is absolute horse poop, marinated in old engine oil? Today I'm busting 5 motorcycle maintenance myths that have been passed down like a trauma in a family tree. So strap in, or don't, you'll need new brake pads by the end anyways. Myth number 1. Change your oil every 1000 kilometers or your bike will spontaneously combust.
Oh no! It's been 1001 kilometers and I haven't changed my oil. My engine's gonna blow up and kill a cat. Shit!
Calm down, speed racer. You're riding a commuter bike, not a Formula 1 car having a midlife crisis. Truth bomb. Changing your oil every 1000 kilometers is like flossing your teeth every 10 minutes. It's not harmful, but it's also kinda psychotic. Modern engines and oils are built to last 3000 to 6000 kilometers, unless you're redlining through volcanoes or drag racing your grandma. Changing oil too early just wastes money, time, and whatever dignity you had left after that last oil spill in your driveway. Myth number 2. Clean your chain after every ride or it'll murder you in your sleep. I clean my chain religiously after every ride, twice a day. Sometimes I just clean it for fun.
It's gotta be done, it's an addiction.
Okay, calm down. That chain is cleaner than my search history after incognito mode. Actual human advice. Chains don't like being waterboarded daily. The O-rings inside them, yeah, they're not fans of your deep cleaning spa sessions. Over-cleaning can strip away lubrication, wear out seals, and turn your chain into a rusty, squeaky suicide rope. Clean it every 500 to 1000 kilometers or after muddy rides. Not every time we go to the store to buy condoms. Myth number 3. Premium fuel turns your bike into a super bike. Premium fuel makes my bike faster, it's smoother, cleaner, sexier, and women stare. Your 125cc can't even outrun a toddler on a sugar high. The sad truth, your bike isn't designed for high octane fuel. Pouring in premium is like feeding caviar to a goldfish. You're not getting more power, you're not getting more mileage, you're just getting more broke. And sometimes it'll run worse because high octane burns slower and your engine wasn't built for it. You get more performance by losing weight or pushing your bike downhill. Myth number 4. Air filters only matter in the desert.
I only clean my air filter when I can't breathe through it. I treat it the same way as I treat my face mask.
Your engine's breathing in more pollution than a chain smoker on fire in Delhi traffic. Reality check. That air filter is your bike's nose, and if it's clogged with dead bugs, dust, and broken dreams, your engine is gasping harder than you after 3 push-ups. Even city riding clogs it up. Pollution, dust, smog, and whatever mystery gunk flows around your neighborhood gets sucked into that thing. Clean or replace it every 3000 to 5000 kilometers or whenever it smells like regret. If you haven't changed it in a year, there might be a small animal living in it by now. Myth number 5. Brake pads last forever if you downshift like a samurai.
I never use my brakes. I just downshift, let the engine do its work. I mean, brakes are just for weaklings.
Wow, brave. Remind me to never ride behind you. Here's the plot twist. Yes, engine braking is great until it isn't, because brake pads still wear out quietly, especially the rear ones, the most ignored pads in the history of mechanics. By the time they squeak, it's too late. Now you're braking with hope, prayers, and a good pair of sneakers. Check them, replace them. Don't be that guy who says, I thought that grinding noise was normal. Because it ain't. So, to recap, oil changes aren't a countdown to doom. Your chain isn't your therapist, premium fuel is a scam, your air filter is suffocating, and your brake parts, well, they're crying for help. If this video made you laugh or cry or realize you've been abusing your bike like a telenovel villain, like this video, comment your favorite myth, or confess which one you believed. I'll be judging in the replies. Subscribe because I've got more hard truths, dark jokes, and mechanical roast sessions coming your way. This video was sponsored by Common Sense. Available now. Nowhere.